I'm a high bird. I'm a sky bird.
That's a cool pan, and then there's Shalia.
How much does their polar bear weigh? Enough to
No,
break
he
the
fixed
ice.
it already.
What?
He fixed it.
Oh shit, where have I been? Wait, it's your turn.
Oh wait, that's awkward.
Oh shit. Oh, that is the coolest scene I've ever shot. And then there's Luz.
And fall. You rise and you fall. I feel like a bowling ball. Pigeon.
Really? Oh, sweet thing. Go away. Follow me.
Tuna fish. Tuna fish.
I know you're tempted to take one, but take one. Take one!
I feel like a bowling ball.
It's over. I'm top. Luz is the middle and Shalia is the bottom. You can't tell it. I've only had
Turn.
Your eyes are so beautiful. I could just look into your lens all day. Oh my god! I'm a gangster. I'm a straight up G. The gangster life is the life for me. I love with credits and scene. Straight out from something P. And you're never gonna